Good morning, boys. It is kind of rainy out here. I've got my hearing coupon for the court. I got a ticket in the mail, so I have to go deliver this. Alrighty, that was the easy part. Now I have 3 stacks of cash to give to Raphael. We are buying another Evo today. Alrighty, I've made it to Raphael's house. There's the S2K. Yeah, anyways, we gotta pick this boy up, and then guess we're gonna go straight to the bank, grab some cash, and we're good to go. Made it to the Safeway parking lot. I'm waiting here for the guy. Raphael's in Safeway, and just waiting for this Evo to show up. Don't know where he is, but we'll be here when he gets here. I've come out with my 3 bags of food, and they're already looking at the Evo. It's that blue one right there, and it looks pretty sweet. It's got the red tails and everything, kind of like how mine does now. There's mine right there. There this thing is. Look at this thing. I didn't get the first fill-up, but this is the second fill-up of the day. Fuck these gas prices, bro. Oh, there they go. God damn. It's a deal. Alrighty, deal's done. What we got?
2005 Lancer Evolution.
Yes, sir. We got a super nice, clean, almost straight body Evo.
Look at that stock. No nice things in there.
Hey, it's got super nice and clean. It looks like mine, except for no gauges right here. That's super clean. Fuck yeah. Not even tint or nothing in here. This one has an ACD. Apparently it's not working. What's up with that?
It doesn't work. I think it's either unplugged or the pump is bad.
Okay.
Other than that, there's not much to it.
Here's the rear. You know, stock seats. You guys know this interior. Heck yeah. But yeah, looks pretty solid. The Brembos are fading. It's very pink. But other than that, very clean car. Look at this too. The carbon on the wing, almost immaculate. Not really even fading on the insides here. And then maybe that's the only real spot that you can tell. But other than that, real Evo 8 wing, full carbon, super nice. Yeah, you can tell by knocking on it. The 9s have this weird hollow sound to them because they don't have foam. So, yeah. All right, we're going to take these back home now. Kind of sounds like my old one. Shit.
It's quiet.
It is very quiet. Very nice. It's kind of rainy out, but there it is. Alrighty, the person who was supposed to come buy this car ultimately flaked on me. So I guess we're just gonna go ahead and put the white wheels back on because this thing is horrible to drive with these tires. They're not even, I think it might be just the wheels aren't balanced. But yeah, it is not a fun time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the white wheels because they have brand new tires on them. They're balanced properly. And then today is the wasted space meet, so we're just gonna go ahead and hit that up. We gotta go run over to Carlos' house and help him work on the LS again. They might be done by the time I get there, but that's fine because I just want to see it running and all that jazz. But yeah, let me pull the car up in the driveway and just start swapping these wheels. It shouldn't take too long. I've done it so many times now, but I hate doing it. It's a pain. So we're out here again at Thomas's house. Carlos going to grab a cam position sensor. I got a chocolate crepe. Yeah, it's pretty fire. Alright, we're going to Lakewood because of this fool. We gotta get
I ain't coming back, Thomas. What the fuck?
We're gonna go get the cam position sensor in Lakewood. We'll be right back. Let's get it. Hey, look, all the homies are here. Yo! Wow! We got a Subaru, an Evo, an Evo, another. Well, there's a Toyota.
Friss. It's a friss.
It's a friss.
Friss.
The furs, the burrs, and the jitters. Watch out, Kobe.
Oh god. The most dysfunctional gorilla.
I know, dude. Everybody's just a mess right now.
Get your blood flowing.
What's up? What's up? What up?
Wow.
Leave me hanging like that. We made it to the meet. Let's see if there's any more Evos out here. I see a lot of Lexuses right there.
They're pretty.
Or is it Lexi? Lexi?
Lexus.
Sis? Who knows? Oh no, there's a lot of Audis here too. God damn. D50Z finally shut up. He should have just followed us. He was behind us at the light. Ooh. Dancing again.
Look, I
Nice blue, yeah, I was gonna say. Nice. Got Kobe out here. I wanted to post next to these two GTRs, but there's only one spot and the Subaru took it. But yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good out here. There's some ISs over there. Got some Honda. Oh, the whole Honda squad's here. Holy shit. God damn. But this is what I wanted to park next to. But you know.
Right when you parked, the guys right in front of us, they were like, "It's got fake wheels."
Did he actually say that?
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's
why he was looking at my wheels so close.
Oh,
too.
dude, he showed up. Hey, what's good? Fuck yeah, dude. 2J Jonas. What? Woo! Huh? My wheels.
No.
Oh, it smells dank as fuck out here. Honestly, I don't care that I have reps.
I don't know.
They look the same. Beamer squad, more Beamer.
Now
Yeah.
The address though, I don't have the address. Or Beaver.
The Beaver squad is here. Look at these motherfuckers. The white one especially. That's the one that really sets me off.
Why?
Because it just looks the most like a beaver. I'm kind of a fan. That's sick. I am definitely. S2000! Should have brought my S2K. There's so many Beamers here. I thought this was supposed to be like a cool car meet. What is this? We found a McLaren?
It's under my ass.
Wow. I am just really bad at paying attention, I suppose.
You don't have a camera. But that one.
Yeah, I have 3 actually. Yo, she drives. Oh my god, the Beamer is alive. Got the drivetrain in and everything. The fucking dented ass quarter panel. Keep going, you got room. Oh! Oh! I'm inside the Beamer. Look at that. That plate came out really nice. It used to be properly seated, but that thing's not in. Shifter, nice. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Dude, between... Okay, let's see. This is first. This is third and fifth. You could barely tell between third and fifth. It's so close to each other. I get scared. I don't want to like miss shift while I'm racing or something. That's a little odd. But yeah, this thing's pretty good. It runs and everything. The seat needs to be bolted in. The passenger seat needs to be put back in at some point. But the rear and everything's all nice. So yeah, looking good. Headliner needs to be done. I think they might do just like a suede or something. I'm not sure about that. But yeah, looking good. Got Tails car out here as well. Getting the rest of the wrap finished up on this thing. Oh, yep. Lots of cool things happening. And there's a Supra. Yo, I got this M3 in front of me. This thing kind of sweet though. That manual life, you can tell he was fucking struggling to shift there. Boys, we're out here. Got the Beamer, the Evo, the Evo. We got some new banners for today. Brandon's moving his car up in the shop.
They're in there.
Oh shit, dude. Oh, that red is sexy. I think that's gonna be on mine, and then we've got the white one. I think Brennan's doing white and Ruben's doing blue. Oh, that's kind of fire, isn't it? You like it?
Pretty fucking close. Let's look at it real quick.
But now the stickers all warped.
It's alright. I can see.
Dude, he's the king of stickers. What are you talking about?
Yeah, if that shit looked like that on my car, I'd be like, all right,
Tear it all off. Gotta redo it.
gotta buy a new one. I ever saw them. $50 a pop if you guys want some.
I thought they were gonna be smaller than this with the box around it.
No, that's I like how big.
Yeah, we like.
Really?
it. Yeah.
That's fat, dude. Holy shit.
Nice.
Yo! That looks good. We like that. That's a...
Take all the letters off.
I know, right?
Nice.
Okay. Now sit in your car. See what you can see.
Yeah, that's good. You're good. Stop. You're good. Hyper blue on the blue?
Mine is though.
That's so perfect. Oh, it doesn't go all the way?
It's alright, thank you.
I should fire this guy.
Yeah, don't trust me.
You should fire this guy.
Want to.
You got 2 out of 3 done?
Just rip.
That looks fire, dude. So good. Next.
Oh my.
How do you like that twin disc?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Stall it?
You got it.
Easy, dude. Not hard at all.
Attaboy.
What are you talking about, dude? Dailyable as fuck.
Now he goes to back it up.
He's gonna get scared because of the plastic rubbing.
Nah, I doubt it. Look at that. It's my turn. I'm stealing Kobe's fucking banner, bro. I don't even care. Damn.
Happy llama sad.
Matching the red? Yo. Matching the red? Yo. That matches the tails really well, actually. I think that looks really good. Heck yeah.
Alright, let me get the diffuser now. Car's not sold.
Dude,
Let me get it.
yours is about to be sold. You can't sell that shit with my diffuser on it. The fuck? Get out of here.
Yeah, I'll just hike up the price.
Got this banners on, dude. That's fire. Whoa. Whole squad up in this bitch. Ah, it's sick.
What? What's that fucking whining? The fan.
That's so loud. That's not good.
What is that?
Aw, dude, Ben showed up. That's the man's right there, but we just got another front windshield banner. Ruben's is on now. I don't have one, but I'm probably not gonna get one. Eric's here getting attacked. Yo, yes sir, the whole squad's here. Benz E30, super clean. Love this thing. It's got that vert, that interior. Ooh, crispy. Is that a Ferrari logo? Yo, and this is one of my favorite stickers on here. Yeah. Elevated Carlo has entered the chat. Look at the angle. Oh, he stalled it. I thought you were good at driving stick or something. Don't you daily this thing?
Hey, get this at elevatormotorsports.com. Shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
Brandon, where's yours? That's not good.
Hey, somebody buy it for 20K.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like 20 grand right now.
Sus.
What is that?
This is a Subaru, a
Hey, but at
Mogus.
least it's bagged though.
At least it's bagged.